Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to the online classes. Today I am going to teach you maths of class 4th, chapter 3, Roman numerals. Today directly we are going to solve the exercise. As you all know that from the old book we already studied Roman numerals, rules for reading the Roman numerals as well as whole exercise. But as we got new book, we are having new book, so we will study from the new book and we have to solve the exercise also. So if you have any confusion about rules, you can see the old video. Okay, now before starting, let's do the revision of letter and their numeric values. Okay, so I stands for what? 1. V for 5. X means 10. Then L stands for 50. C means 100. D means 500 and L means 1000. Okay. Before starting, all of you please take out your notebook, your pen and open page number 21. Okay, so on page number 21 you can see a chart is given, numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, so letters and their numeric value from 1 to 50 is given. You have to learn by heart. Okay, if you understand the rules for reading Roman numerals and you have learned this whole chart, reading of Roman numerals will be very easy. Okay, so let's start. Write the Roman numerals from 20 to 35. Okay, so 20, we will start from 20 because from 20 to 35. 20, so as we can see, value of x is 10, so 10 plus 10, 20, so x. Okay, 20. Now 21, so x and I, and value of I is, as you can see, value of I is 1, so x and I means 21. Okay, on the same pattern, 22, x and I means 2, 10 and 2. Now 23, x then 3I. Okay, 24, x I and 5. Okay, so here rule 3 is there. Okay, and what is rule 3? When a letter having smaller value is written to the left of a letter having greater value, and what we do, we subtract the numeric value of the smaller letter from that greater letter. Okay, so this is rule 3. So 5, V means 5, and before 5 we have written I. So I minus V means 1 minus 5, that is 4. Okay, 25, x and V means 5. Then 26, x V and I. 27, x V I. 28, x V and I 3 times. Okay, that clear, all of you? Now 29, x I and 10. X means 10 and I means 1, so x minus 10, same rule 3 of 24 will be applied here also. Okay, now 30. So as you can see, For 20, we have written 2 times x, that is 10 plus 10. So for 30, how many x will be there? Yes, 3x. X means 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Now on the same pattern of 21, 22, 23, we will do 31, 32 till 35 and so on. So 31, again 3x and I. 32, 3x, I. 33, 3x, I. 34, 3x, I and 4. The same like 24. Then 35, x and v. That is, value of v is 5. Clear all of you? Now let's see question 2. Write Roman numerals from 40 to 50. Okay. So this one is your homework on the same pattern 20 to 35. Okay. You have to write the Roman numerals from 40 to 50. This is your homework. Okay. Now let's see question 3. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Now let's see question 3. Fill in the blanks. Okay. In this question, Roman numbers are given, numerals are given, and you have to divide them and convert them into numerals. Okay. So first one is 7. How? Let's divide them. So for first one is V. So V stands for 5. So we will write 5 here. Then I means 1 plus 1, 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now question B. X, I, X. Okay, that is 19. Let's see how. So first we will take X. The value of X is 10. Then I, X means 9. As I told you earlier, rule 3 will be followed here. 19. 10 plus 9, 19. Okay. Now X, I, that is 10 plus 2, 12. Now 8. How? 5 plus I, 3 plus. So 5 plus 3, 8. Now 9. The same thing. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Again rule 3. Now that is 6. How? 5 plus I means 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Clear all of you? See, this type of questions are very easy. If by heart you are going to learn this, if you have learned this one, the whole chapter, whole question, whole topic, after doing little bit of practice, it will be very easy for you. Okay. Now let's see question 4. Now let's see question number 4. Write in Roman numerals. Okay, means numbers are given and you have to write them in Roman numerals. Okay. 7. So 7 means 5 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Then 11. 11 means x plus I, that is 10 plus 1, 11. Now 8. 8 means 5 plus 1 plus 1, that plus 1, that is V, I. Okay. Now 31. How are you going to write 31 in Roman numerals? First of all, 3 times x and then I, that is 10, 10, 10 and 1. Okay. Like question 4, question 5 is also on the same pattern. Okay. Write the numbers for the following Roman numerals. So first is x, x, x. 3 times x means, here 3 times x means 30 now. Here also 30, and this is v plus I, that is 5 plus 1, 6. See, it's very easy, very easy. Okay. Now b means 10, 10 means x, x, 10 plus 10, that is 20. Now question C, x, I, v, that is 10, then I means 1 and v means 5, that is 5 minus 1, rule number 3 here again, 14. Okay. Then this is 8, that is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 8. Clear all of you? So in question 4 and 5, from A to D here also, and in question 5 also A to D, and E and F is for your practice. Okay. Now students, let's see question number 6. So question 6 is fill in the blanks with Roman numerals. Okay. So in question A, 5 to 10. Clear all of you? So we will start with 5 till 10. 5 to 10. So 5 stands for V. Then we will write 6. 6 you will write 5 and I. Then 7. Are you going to write 7? V I I. Then 8 V I I. 9 I and 10. Okay. Means I and X. Then 10 means X. Clear all of you? All the values are written here. Now question B. In question B, series is given 20 to 25. Okay. So we will start with 20. So how are you going to write 20 in Roman numerals? Yes. 10 plus 10, 20. That is x plus x. Okay. X, x, 20. Now 21 x, x, I. 22 x, x, I. Then 23 x, x, I means x 2 times. That is 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Now 24 x, x, I, v. Okay. 24. Now 25. So 25 x, x, v. 10, 10, 5. Clear all of you? Now 45 to 50. How are you going to write 45? So first of all 10, then L. Let's see what's the value of L. Value of L is 50. Okay. So 10 minus 50, that is 40. Then V for 5. Clear all of you? In this way you have to write 40. If simply it is given write 40, then how are you going to write? X, L. Okay. So 45, then 46, XL, VI, then 47, XLVII, then 48, XLVIII, then 49, XLIX, and then 50 means L. Clear all of you? Now D, 30 to 35. So 30 is very easy. Previous question, in previous question many questions 30 was given. So x, 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 that is 10, 10 and 10. 3 times 10 means 30. X, x, x. Now 31 x, 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 I. 32 x, 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 I. 33 x, 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 I. Clear? Now 34 x, x, x. 3 times x, that is 30 and 4, I and V. Now 35, X, X, X and V. That is 35. Clear? Now let's see question 8. E you have to do. It's for your practice. Okay. Now question 7. So question 7 is match the following. Okay. You have to do by yourself. It's your homework. Now question 8. Fill in the blanks with greater, smaller or equal. So what you have to do in this question? Here Roman numerals are given and here numerals are given, and you have to compare between the two, that whether they are equal or they are greater or they are smaller. Getting my point? So let's see. This is X, X, that is 20, and now VI yani means 5 plus I means 6. Okay. So this is 26 and here also this is 26. It means both are equal. So we will put equal sign. Okay. Now let's see question number B. Question B is again this is 7 or not. Let's see 5 plus I. 5 plus 1 plus 1 7 and here also 7. So again they both are equal. Question number C. L. So let's see what's the value of L. Yes, the value of L is 50 and have to compare with 30. So which one is greater, L or 30? L is greater now because the value of L is 50. So here this greater sign will be there. Now let's see question number D. In question D, I and X means 9. 10 minus 1. Okay, 9 and here it is 40. Okay, so 40 is greater than 9. So the sign will be there. Question E. X, X, X means 30 and I means 1. That is 31. Same. 31. Here also 31 and this is also 31. And I have compared with 49. So which one is greater? 31 or 49? 49. So greater sign will be there. Okay. Clear all of you? Now let's see next question. Now students, let question number 9 is read the hour hand and the minute hand and write the time shown in the clocks below. Okay, so let's see question A. So as you can see, this is your hour hand and this is your minute hand. Okay, so first of all, let's see where is your hour hand is. It's on 2 and minute hand is on 12. That is 2 o'clock. Okay, so your time is 2 o'clock. In question B, 8, V-I-I. Okay, V-I-I-I. 3 times I means 8. And this is your 12. That is X-I-I. 10 I means 12. Okay, so this is your 8 o'clock. Clear? Now let's see question number C. Question number C, XI, that is 11. Okay, and this is your 6. So this is 11:30. Okay. Now question number D. In question number D, it's 4:15. 4. Our hand is on 4 and minute hand is on 3. That okay. So this is your 4:15. Clear all of you? So as you can see, in all the watches, Roman numerals are there. Clear all of you? So question E and F you do, it's for your practice. Okay, hope you all understood this chapter. Again we have done the revision of this chapter. Now in the next video we will study a new chapter, chapter 4, addition. Till then you all please keep on doing practice. Okay, thank you.